Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit Instagram Reels in few seconds. So this is very simple. You just have to click on the plus sign and go to Reels. So here you can choose any video and go on the edit option. So here are the many options that you can see. You can edit or crop or add the music here, and control, save, effect.
Hello everyone, welcome back to
And replace it, split it. You can just split it like this or delete this one and keep it. So here are many options, and the other is add stickers, clip hub, add text, audio, re-record, reorder, filters. So in this way you can just edit your reels. Thanks for watching the video, and please follow for more contents. Thank you.